Hello everyone, I am Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix a Windows error which goes with the error code 0x00x0. So let's fix this without any delay. So the main reason behind this error is a corrupt or missing system file or an improper shutdown. So first of all, restart your PC. Now perform a SFC scan, which is System File Checker Scan. To perform this, open command prompt and type sfc/scan now and hit enter. When the scan is complete, restart your device and your issue will be resolved. Also make sure to update your Windows. You can easily update your Windows from this check for updates option. If this not works, then simply run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. To run this, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Run the tool by clicking on Open. Restart your device. If this method does not work, then you have to perform a complete reboot. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.